After years of waiting, Apple's first foldable iPhone is finally coming in 2026. While competitors have been experimenting with foldables for years, Apple has been quietly working on their own solution. And according to major leaks, it could be a game changer. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 biggest leaks about the iPhone Fold. Let's dive in. Leak number 1, the iPhone Fold will feature a titanium frame. Just like current iPhone Pro models, but this makes perfect sense for a foldable. Titanium is stronger than steel and more rigid than aluminum. Leak 2, when open, it'll be just 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters thick. That's thinner than the current iPad Pro. When closed, about 9 millimeters. Impressive for a first-generation foldable. Leak 3, tackles the biggest foldable problem, the crease. Apple's solution? A liquid hinge that creates a teardrop fold, virtually eliminating the visible crease. This is why Apple waited so long to enter the market. Leak 4, the outer screen will be 5.5 inches, same size as the old iPhone 8 Plus. But with modern all-screen design. Leak 5, the inner screen expands to 7.8 inches, nearly iPad mini size. Leak 6, brings back an old favorite. Touch ID returns built into the power button, just like on iPad Air and iPad mini. Works whether the phone is open or closed. Leak 7, don't expect Pro Max cameras. Space constraints mean a dual camera system. You'll get wide and ultra-wide lenses, but likely no telephoto zoom. It's a trade-off for that incredibly thin design. Leak 8, carbon lithium batteries provide more power in less space. Essential for powering that massive 7.8-inch display all day. Combined with a next-gen A-series chip for incredible performance. Leak 9, September 2026. Release date alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. That gives Apple 2 years to perfect this revolutionary design. Plenty of time to start saving up. Leak 10, the big one. Starting price around $2,000. I know it sounds expensive, but it's actually in line with other high-end foldables. This isn't for everyone. It's cutting-edge tech for early adopters. The iPhone Fold represents Apple's vision for the future of mobile computing. Titanium build, creaseless display, dual screens, Touch ID. It could be incredible. What do you think? Are you excited about a foldable iPhone? Or do you prefer traditional smartphones? Let me know in the comments below what future tech you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of the iPhone Fold leaks, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple news and rumors. Thanks for watching.